Tell me this is not beautiful. Don't tell me this is not beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love it. Welcome back. Yeah, red interior into the car. The back seats, trims, and the front seats, pretty much everything. The only thing that I've installed is two things. This one at the back, installed. I still need to put the headrests and test fitted that door. So that is good. But that's not what we're here today. Today we need to fix this one. So this is the wiring for the seat. As you can clearly see, professional, or I guess the opposite of a professional, did this hunk of junk. I managed to fix the side, the driver's side. Look how it looks. There you go. Professional, and mind you, it connects and it works. So yes, I tested it, it works. Look how clean versus how, ew, what the hell. So here's what we need to do. Basically, I've already got this one simply because I thought I might need this one. Simply look, this one is destroyed, so definitely I need a new one. So I figured might as well just get a new one. And all the wires with pick, you can clip them and you can get the actual clip out. There it is, if it concentrates. All right, or it focuses. So first step, we need to remove this plastic. We need to see what kind of wires do we have, and I bought this beauty wireless soldering iron. So it's a battery operated. Flick it and you're good to go. Now, one thing you just need to remember, this one didn't work. I mean, the obvious reason was basically it's a nightmare. But what happened is, once I fixed the other side, I'm gonna show you once I reach over here, but in simple, those two wires, the green and orange, they are crucial for the seat to work. And as you can clearly tell, the orange is chopped and the green one is hot wired into something else. Now those, they need to be connected to, I need to remove this trim, and over here you'll be able to see the actual wire. So removing this trim to get us access to that one, that way we can just get the wire out of it, and after that we can fix this one. Now I'm not going to bore you with the details. If there is anything important, I'm going to show it to you, but basically speaking, everything that is connected like this, it needs to be completely fixed. I've got two grounds. The brown, by the way, this is a ground, so I need to connect those two grounds together, just so that, but in a more professional way at least. And after that, technically speaking, all the wires, they just need to be placed back exactly as they should, and hopefully I'll be able to get it sorted. That one is working. So what happened is, if I'm confused with something, I can easily look at that one and compare it, or I can just look at this one because this is the brand new one. It has extra wires in it, granted, but we can work with that. So today we'll work on this one. Let me start something, then I'll show you where we at. But let's admire this. Two front red seats, beautiful. Yes, I got speakers, 4-inch, by the way, because you need them for the back. This one, and you've got this, and you've got the door trims. This. There you go. That's your mugshot. Okay, first step, we remove the trim, we've accessed the carpet, and this is the wire. And let me just get a pic so that I can show you to you. So there it is. This is the green one, and this is the orange one. These are the ones that you need to tap in. What happened is, I cut them in half, and I tapped it from this side and from this side. Heat shrink over here, heat shrink over here, and I'm gonna put now heat shrink over here and there, and that basically means that I've extended those orange and blue and green wire into those two. Those two basically will go into the actual plug. So far so good, right? Those are the two wires that basically control or communicate to the seat module. And they sit basically, if you look at this, those two. Can you see them? Yep. Number 2 and number 3 basically. Not number 1, number 2 and number 3. So, first step, we just need to complete this one, tape it professionally, then after that we run the wire, and that way at least now we know what we got. Sounds good? Cool. Let's continue. Be patient with me. Be patient with me. It's not fully connected, but at least all the wires are connected as it should be. Okay? Check. You can see it's moving. Now, not all the buttons, but at least these ones work, and over here as well work. So at least I got that sorted out. So I'm really happy. Now I just need to tidy this one up, and the whole seat pretty much is ready. Sweet! All right, I got it all out because we need to clean it. But before we do that, let's work on some more electrical work. This is the trim that I need to put in the car. As you can clearly see, something is missing. That's why I had to buy this one. 4-inch. Not bad. Now, this is the smallest that I can find that actually fits. But does it though? Does it really fit? No, it doesn't. See? See how it sits? Not ideal. What you need to do, you see those tabs? You need to twist them just so that it can fit inside. Once that is done, the brackets that comes with it, there you go, just twist them like so. So that now it's held in place. The wires that comes with it, they don't fit because Beamer, being Beamer, they always have and love these. So this one plugs into this one, which is the original speakers. Go to Temu or AliExpress. This one cost me $3.50. Set of 2. It does the job. So we don't need this. Yeah, we know it's Pioneer, but we don't need it. This was a good deal, super cheap auto, 45 bucks only, not bad. So twist these, get them in, use the metal brackets, then over here use, I think 8, I do believe 8 millimeter. Yeah, I got it, yep. And I got my trusty Milwaukee, tiny little one. And we just put those in and we're good to go. As for cleaning, we're using the conditioner from Clyde's, and we're using this one as well for leather treatment. Hopefully that'll clean them. That's why I left the stuff outside, because I'd rather clean them outside, except for the one that I already installed inside, so I'm just gonna clean it up. Cool. All right, installed, fixed, twisted, and even hooked up and taped, because I don't want the tape to, the wire to go anywhere. I even changed and replaced all the tabs, so all the tabs over here basically are brand new. Well, not brand new, it's just I took them from the black one that I had over here, replaced them over here. Now it's time to put this bad boy back into place. So we've got that side, this side, just like we got them out, we need to put them back in. Happy to report, properly installed, speakers connected, everything is fine. There's 2 screws over here and the clips basically clipped. Done, done, and done. And yes, I removed this one. It'll be easier to remove this, install this, then you can put that. Now I get to clean this one and that one, but I think I might actually install the back one first, clean this side, quick vacuum, then after that I'll put the rest. But so far, so good. Are you ready? Look. Yes, you can see the leather cleaner and shinier. This is because I used this bad boy. It looks weird, but dab a bit, that's too much, but oh well. And basically and start. Look how already it looks cleaner. Zillion times. You can see the difference between here and there. Clean this one, put it back in, fish the seat belt thingy through those two holes, and you're good to go. Carry on. Tell me this is not beautiful. Don't tell me this is not beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love it. Now, clean this mess on both sides. Time to put the big seats. Actually, no. You can clearly see I've already installed that door over here. So let's work on this one. How does it work? Simple. With a prying tool, similar to this that I found over here, fish this one out. It has clips that connected over here, so you need to start from here. So clip and pull. Not drastically, just enough to get it. Something like that. Definitely needs two hands, because otherwise you might risk breaking it. Once you get this one out, then this one is already there. It's already half out. Easy does it. And this is how you pretty much get it all out. There you go. You get this one out. You got screw. So 1, 2, and over here there's a 3-1. Remove this one, and basically you'll be able to fish it. As you fish it out, we'll be able to put the new one in. Sounds good? Let's do it. There you have it. Removed. This goes for the tweeter and the speaker that is there. There you go, removed. And I even removed the, the wrapping. Didn't like it, I'm gonna change it. This one, there you go, see? When you pry it, you get this one out, and then you can remove it out of the clips from the back. Now, 3 screws, there you go, all torque. And this plastic piece that basically covers it up. What I'm going to do now, remove the speaker from that, install it into mine. As for this one, for the latch, this is the piece. If you remove this part, like just push it forward, then it slides out. As it slides out, you're good to go. And there you go. Pretty much everything is clean. So, install the new speaker, or take the speaker from here, put it there, and put that over here. Go. Okay, be ready. I've cleaned it. Not only that I installed it, I also cleaned it with both the cream and the wax. So now it looks shiny. So this is the door. Yep. Clean. Back seat, we've already seen it. Looking good. Driver and all. And mind you, every button works. See? Moves. It moves forward. It goes up. It goes down. And even the bag inside. I know you can't see it, but it's pumping. It's pumping. So now it's bulging. Now I'm just gonna go as much because I want you to hear it when it hisses when I just reduce it. It's gonna take some time because it's bulging. I don't know if you can see it, but yep. Yeah, this one is fat over here. See? And for the up one, and even for the sides over here as well. It goes up, fill up. So all the buttons, and even this one. Don't mind the cracking sound, there's a lot of gravel or some shit in the back. So we just need to get rid of it. And see, now it's not working because the battery. So I need to put the key in. Let's put the key. Now, one problem though. See, there you go, it's working. One problem, airbag. Yep, the chime, of course, the chime. So now the seat goes back. And if we go to the other side, don't mind the trunk. This is driver's side, clean, and already came with this carbon fiber. It looks nice, properly done, so I'm just gonna leave it. Over here, pretty much the same story. Seat adjust back and forward. There you go, back and forward. And the bag, you can hear it. You can hear it. So every single thing works. Now, I cleaned it. I tried to put everything over here, but this one definitely needs a bit of a treatment. So I'm thinking to get me the dye kit, clean it up, but that's a story for another day. Now, yep, airbag dash, airbag light. But at least now, look at it. Black with red. This is how it should look like. And closes and opens. Sexy. That's how it should be. I need to get rid of those, but before I do that, I need to worry about a zillion other things. But at least for now, I know that everything inside is working as it should, except for, of course, the roof. That's a story for another day. This one definitely I need to clean it. I ended up with a shitload of screws and bolts and whatnot because I already have a couple spare. Now I need to tidy things up and go home. This is it. What do you think of this look? That's sexy. Anyways, if you like what you see, stick around until next episode. Till then, you take care of yourself.